Hello and welcome to our channel Art with Freedom. This is me Sonam Sunita Atri and I am back with another DIY video. I know, I just cannot keep myself away from DIY videos. I just love doing this creative stuff. पुरानी चीजों को decorate करना, उन्हें use में लेना, this and that. I just love all this stuff and I am going to do it again. Okay, so what I'm doing today is that I have these two jars. These are two old jam jars and I am going to transform them into coffee jars. Yes. Okay, so it's kind of been a while that I have been seeing those lid jars on Instagram and YouTube videos that everyone is using those lid jars, and I'm really fascinated with them. But I thought instead of buying those jars, let me just create my own. So that's why I thought of transforming these old jam jars into coffee jars, which I'm gonna do. But the thing is, the only problem I'm gonna have is to create a hole in this lid because it's kind of like iron, so that's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna figure that out how I'm gonna do that, but I'm really sure it's gonna be fun, amazing, and creative. So keep up with me. Let's see how it goes, how it's turned out. So let's get started. So it's clearly not the same day. I shot the intro video like 1 week ago, but I shot the video today and my cups are like almost ready and they look pretty and so beautiful. I mean they both look good, but I think this one is like my favorite because it's been like only 10 minutes since I have colored them, so I'm not going to touch them, but they both look pretty and beautiful. I'm really happy. This is the very first time when I tried glass colors, so I'm happy with the progress. and the lid still needs to get dried because I painted them with the golden spray paint, so this still need to get dried up. But I ordered these. These are the straws that I ordered from Flipkart. I ordered them like a month ago and they came like a month ago, but I haven't even opened them yet, so I'm gonna open it now. Also, the colors that I use for glass painting, I ordered them from Flipkart. They are like the cheapest one because I never really tried glass colors before, so I bought the cheapest package. So if anyone need it, I'm gonna link it down below if I could. And I bought the spray paint from outside my colony, so it's that. So I'm gonna open this now. I bought these like a month ago and they did got delivered like a month ago, but I never really opened them. I thought I would open them when the jars are ready. So now the jars are ready and they're not like, these straws are not like too much expensive and they're kind of like fair price. So I'm also gonna be linking down them in the description box. You can check out from there. They're fine. They're not like too much expensive or something. Okay, here we have the straws. Oh my god, they also come with this little brush to clean them up, so it's kind of like convenient. And get these pastels. These are like silver and they look beautiful. Two of them are bended and two of them are straight as per your convenience, so I think they're great and they are beautiful and I cannot wait to use them. So it's clearly the next day, or I should say next week, because my weeks have been chaotic. I shot the intro video in the Holy weekend and then I shot the content video in the next week, and this is the next week from the next week. So today I'm ending this video finally. So my jar is here, my coffee jar. It looks something like this, and this is the second time I'm having coffee in this one and I am so happy. This looks like classy, like so classy, and I'm so happy with it. So if you're still here, do give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below that I am an art, because you are an absolute art. Subscribe to the channel, share the video. All the best to you, all the best to me. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.